What if someone took the already insane Hummer H2 and then decided that was nowhere near aggressive enough? So they stripped it completely apart, rebuilt it from the ground up, added a Widebody kit that adds 6 inches on each side, slammed it on the most outrageous custom wheels ever made, and created something so wild, so extreme, and so utterly jaw-dropping that it literally stops traffic everywhere it goes. Because that is exactly what this custom Hummer H2 build is, and I have genuinely never seen anything like this in my Welcome back to 77 Motors. And today we are going deep into the most insane custom Hummer build on the planet. Let us start with that absolutely mental exterior. This thing is wrapped in a deep rich chocolate brown paint so glossy, it looks like liquid caramel poured over a tank. The Widebody kit is massive, adding dramatically flared fenders all around that house, the most outrageous set of custom low-profile tires on deep dish black multi-spoke wheels that sit perfectly flush with those enormous arches. The front end carries those signature Hummer round headlights, now upgraded to piercing blue LED units that glow in the dark like something from a sci-fi movie. Below that, a fully custom chrome exhaust system is mounted directly on the front bumper, giving this truck a look that is completely unlike anything else on 4 wheels. A full light bar runs across the roofline with indicator and emergency lights built in. Walking around to the rear, you get a clean open truck bed with a custom tailgate and those same deep dish wheels and low-profile tires, completing a rear view that is just absolutely outrageous. Twin chrome exhaust tips exit at the rear, finishing off one of the most extreme builds ever constructed. Inside this H2 custom build is a complete cockpit transformation. The front cabin features full black leather bucket seats with bold red perforated center panels and the H2 badge embossed on every headrest in chrome. Red stitching runs throughout every surface. The carbon fiber dashboard carries multiple analog performance gauges, a full digital infotainment screen navigation display, and a carbon fiber steering wheel with the H2 badge centered perfectly. Toggle switches and performance controls fill the center console, and a flat bottom gear selector sits between the 2 racing-inspired front seats. The rear cabin offers Hummer badged racing bucket seats with brown leather and red harness belts mounted on a full roll cage, giving it that pure racing DNA. Large premium speakers are mounted on each door panel, delivering a sound system that matches the insane character of this entire build. Under that wide aggressive hood, this custom H2 is believed to run a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, producing well over 700 horsepower, delivering the kind of performance that matches the absolutely savage way this truck looks from every angle. For price, a custom Hummer H2 build at this level with Widebody kit, custom wheels, full interior transformation, and engine upgrades would typically cost between $150,000 and $220,000, making it one of the most exclusive and head-turning custom builds money can buy anywhere in the world. This is what happens when someone refuses to accept limits and decides to build the most extreme version of an already extreme machine. Smash that like button, subscribe to 77 Motors, and we will see you in the next one.